Hello everyone, my name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to make a quick and easy DIY CNY lantern decoration the easy way to do it. Supplies needed are 8 red envelopes, 3 beads, red thread, scissor, glue, optional tassel, and loop turner. First, cut out circle shape on your red envelope. Here I am using brand new red envelopes that I've had for many years. It's been sitting untouched in my drawers because I actually don't quite like the patterns on it. So today let's repurpose it into a CNY decoration. If you have used red envelopes laying around, then this is a perfect DIY for you to do. Part of my DIY journey entails repurposing items in the house that no longer serves its purpose. To make the circle shape, I traced along my daughter's bangle and positioned to see which pattern would look the best. So I've chosen the Kongxi Fatcai good luck phrase and will be keeping them uniform as much as possible. Here I'm separating the back portion of the envelopes and keeping it aside for a separate DIY. Now go ahead and cut along the circle shape. To get into Chinese New Year festive mood, it doesn't necessarily have to be elaborate. Few ways to get into the festive spirit is by making CNY decoration, hanging your CNY lanterns, decluttering your entrance and especially your high traffic area at home, or simply having a positive outlook in whatever you do in the new year. As I'm cutting out the pieces I need for this DIY, you will notice that I'm saving as much of the remaining pieces from the red envelopes as much as possible. Because the Lucky Money red envelope has a certain shine and patterns on it, the larger leftover pieces are perfect for CNY DIYs. Second, make a fold and keep them uniform on all your circle shapes that you have just made. Here, I folded parallel to the Chinese lucky phrase. Third, glue them together like so. Again, try to keep the pattern of your lantern ball as uniform as possible. Here on one side is the 2 children wishing good luck, and on the other side is the good luck phrase. This is how the focal of your DIY CNY lantern deco looks like. This is your lantern ball. It is coming along. At this step, go ahead and make your lantern ball look neater. Cut off the white pieces that are poking out like so. Now, look at how cute the lantern ball is looking. Next, make the tassel. Cut out the length you need for your tassel and double it in length. Insert the beads into the tassel. Since I've been making a lot of bead bracelets these days, I am using a loop turner to insert beads. Using a loop turner is optional. This is how your hanging loop looks like. Ah, so beautiful. Then seal your lantern ball with glue and insert the hanging loop you just made like so. Press them together. As a final touch on the lantern ball, cut off the white pieces. Finally, make your tassel with a piece of your red envelope like so. Cut fringe 2/3 along the envelope. Apply glue on the top portion, roll them, and it should look like this. But I didn't quite like how it looks like, so I'm using a ready-made tassel from my previous DIY. Make a couple of knots so that when you insert your hanging lantern into the tassel, the knots are big enough to hold the lantern in place. Here, with the loop turner, insert your hanging lantern into the tassel like so. Voila! Here is your quick and easy DIY CNY lantern decoration, the easy way to do it. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly give this video a like, leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my video on how to make easy CNY DIY decoration under $5. You will be glad that you did. Please do check out my easy CNY DIY decoration tutorial playlist as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye!